Welcome to PIXSEL UK. Please follow this short video on how to install your screen protector. Open your set and check that you have everything needed. You should have the screen protector, an alcohol wipe, a microfiber cloth, dust stickers both small and large, and a scraper. First, check the screen protector fits your vehicle by placing it over your car display screen. Now, thoroughly clean the car display screen with the alcohol wipe. Take your time to make sure any marks on your car display screen are removed. Then, dry your car display screen using the microfiber to remove any moisture. Next, use the round dust sticker to remove any remaining dust particles. You may need to do this a couple of times. Now, take the screen protector and remove the black protective film. This is marked Back 1. The screen protector has foam handles to help position it. Using these handles, align the screen protector with your car display screen. A handy wee tip is to use the edges of your car display screen as a guide for a more precise installation. Press the screen protector onto the car display screen, and if any air bubbles remain, you can remove them using the scraper. Once the screen protector is fitted, you can now peel off the second protective film labelled Front 2. If you have any remaining air bubbles, use the scraper to very gently remove them. Work from the middle to the edges to remove all air bubbles. Should any dust particles remain, you can gently peel the screen protector back and use the long dust stickers to reach these. Your PIXSEL UK screen protector should now be perfectly fitted. Thank you for choosing a PIXSEL UK screen protector.